The Osteostitch is a meniscal repair device designed for all inside procedures, prioritizing ease of use and reliability. It comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of features, including an inline deployment mechanism, an onboard variable depth adjuster, an anchor deployment window, options for straight, curved up and curved down usage, easy-to-see white-black osteo braid suture, a deployment plunger that can be operated from multiple hand positions. To begin the repair, first, identify the tear. Depress the depth adjuster and slide it forward or backward to set the desired depth. This adjusts the sheath to expose only the necessary amount of the needle. Next, insert the Osteostitch protection sleeve into the joint space. Position the Osteostitch needle against the protection sleeve and carefully guide the tip into the joint space to initiate the repair. Insert the 17-gauge needle through the meniscus and capsule, then deploy the first PEEK implant. Ensure the sheath is flush against the meniscus so the needle penetrates to the correct depth. The first anchor is now ready to be deployed. Simply pull back on the thumb trigger to prepare the anchor, then push forward to implant it. Upon deployment, you will experience tactile feedback, hear an audible click, and observe a positive indicator in the anchor deployment window. This active deployment feature is designed to minimize the risk of misfire, ensuring implants deploy only when intended. After deploying the first anchor, gently twist the needle out of the meniscus and reposition it to the second location. Again, push the needle through the meniscus until it passes through the capsule. To deploy the second PEEK implant, repeat the same steps as with the first anchor. Once the second anchor is deployed, you will again feel an audible click, tactile feedback, and observe the second anchor deployment window being shaded in. Twist the needle out of the meniscus and remove the handle, leaving a single suture tail behind. Use the knot pusher to tension the high-strength, easy sliding 2-0 suture knot to the desired tension. Then cut the suture. Repeat this process as necessary to complete the repair.